Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a simple yet effective beauty hack. Using just one egg for hair growth. Yes, you heard it right. One egg can work wonders for your hair. Let's explore how. First off, let's talk about why eggs are so beneficial for hair health. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients that can boost hair growth. Protein. Eggs are rich in protein, which is crucial for hair structure. Our hair is made of a protein called keratin, and by applying egg you can strengthen your strands. Biotin. They also contain biotin, a B vitamin that promotes hair growth and prevents hair loss. If you want thicker, healthier hair, biotin is your best friend. Vitamins A and D. Eggs are also a great source of vitamins A and D, which help to nourish your scalp and promote hair follicle health. Fatty acids. Additionally, the healthy fats in eggs can help moisturize your hair, preventing dryness and breakage. Now let's get to the fun part, how to use one egg for your hair. It's super easy. Cut to a step-by-step demonstration. Gather your ingredients. All you need is one egg, a bowl, and a whisk. Whisk the egg. Crack one egg into the bowl and whisk it until it's well mixed. Application. Apply the egg mixture to your scalp and hair. Make sure to cover your roots well, as this is where the nutrients will do the most good. Massage. Gently massage it into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate blood circulation. Leave it on. Leave the egg in your hair for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can cover it with a shower cap to prevent any mess. Rinse. Finally, rinse it out with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Avoid hot water as it can cook the egg. For best results, use this egg treatment once a week. Regular use will help strengthen your hair and promote growth. Now, let's clear up some common myths about using eggs for hair. Myth 1. You can only use the egg yolk. Truth. The entire egg is beneficial. The yolk is rich in fats and nutrients, while the white contains proteins that strengthen hair. Myth 2. Eggs can make your hair greasy. Truth. If used correctly and rinsed well, eggs shouldn't leave any residue. Eggs can cure severe hair loss. Truth. While eggs nourish your hair, severe hair loss may require medical advice. If you're allergic to eggs or simply want to try something different, here are some alternatives. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats and vitamins, mashed avocado can hydrate and strengthen hair. Yogurt. Full of protein and probiotics, yogurt can help improve scalp health and promote growth. Banana. Bananas are great for moisture and can help reduce frizz. Simply mash one and apply it. Here are a few tips to maximize the benefits of your egg treatment. Choose fresh eggs. Always use fresh eggs for the best results. Old eggs may not provide the same nutrients. Combine with oils. For extra nourishment, mix the egg with a tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. Patch test. If you're trying this for the first time, do a patch test to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. Still not convinced? Let's hear from some people who have tried this. Cut to testimonials or before and after photos. I started using an egg mask weekly, and within a month, my hair felt stronger and looked shinier. I've struggled with hair loss for years. After just a few egg treatments, I noticed new hair grow. So there you have it. One egg can be a powerhouse for your hair. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Have you tried using eggs for your hair? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, beautiful hair starts with healthy habits. See you next time.